Hi there! This is how you insert your sound effects into your recording. Now that you have them all collected into a file, you're going to want to place them somewhere in your podcast. To do that, click File, Import, Audio, select the sound effect you'd like to include, click Open, and OK. Clearly you don't want it at the beginning here, you want it somewhere else. So what you're going to do is select the exact place you'd like to insert it, go to Edit, clip Boundaries, and then Split. To move these pieces, you need another tool, the Time Shift tool, which is this little arrow. Click the Time Shift tool, move your audio over, and then insert the sound exactly where you would like it. And there you go. Enjoy. Have a great day.